In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the automatic allocation of credits to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential if you want more control over how your credits are applied to invoices, ensuring everything is exactly as you prefer. First, you'll want to start by signing into QuickBooks Online. This step seems simple, but it's the gateway to making any changes in your QuickBooks settings. Open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. If you don't have the page bookmarked, you can simply search for it. Once you're there, enter your credentials. It's crucial to ensure you're using the correct email and password associated with your QuickBooks account to avoid any login issues. After entering your details, hit continue and you should be welcomed into your account's dashboard. Once you're inside QuickBooks, the next step is heading over to Settings. You might find this under the gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From here, look for the Account and Settings option. Clicking this will open up a new window with several tabs. Next, focus on the Advanced tab. You'll find this option among the tabs in the Settings menu. Clicking on Advanced gives you access to more intricate settings, including the automation processes that QuickBooks executes by default. Now it's time to dive into the Automation section. Within this part of the advanced settings, you will see various automation features that QuickBooks implements to make bookkeeping simpler. What you're looking for specifically is the option labeled Automatically Apply Credits. By default, this is turned on, which allows QuickBooks to automatically apply any credits you have to your outstanding invoices without further input from you. To turn off this feature, scroll to the section that mentions Automatically Apply Credits and simply toggle the switch. This change will give you the autonomy to manually apply credits to your invoices, granting you more precise control over your financial processes. After making this adjustment, it's incredibly important not to forget to save your changes. You'll find the Save button, typically toward the bottom of the page. Click Save to ensure that your new setting is recorded. Without saving, any changes you've made will be lost, and you'll find yourself having to redo these steps next time you log in. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully turned off the automatic allocation of credits on your invoices in QuickBooks Online. This adjustment will help you maintain a more personalized approach to your accounting, ensuring that everything is perfectly tailored to your preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.